This is on the 6th floor, 5th floor walk up. Beautiful building all the way. This is the kitchen, the entrance, microwave, window, granite countertop, dishwasher, nice silver stainless steel fridge, microwave. This is a video intercom, so you see the person who is downstairs. So this is the living room area. You can put the L couch here. And this is a bedroom. This is south, so it gets very sunny. Right now it's overcast today. That fits a queen size. Very isolating, large closet. Nice exposed brick. This is the bathroom. Has a fan. Let me shut it on. All right. And the window. Beautiful finish. Marble, granite countertop. And the shower stool. Marble. It's very nice. Nice finish. Beautiful floors. So that's the bathroom. And this is the beautiful door. This is the laundry room. I mean the laundry, washer and dryer. This is a little cabinet here. And there's a room for an armoire, like 51 inches, that you can put here. And this is the other bedroom. Large closet, and this is facing south. That fits a queen size bed. Actually, I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna measure the width. Is 6 feet, or a little bit over 6 feet wide. 72 inches wide. That fits a queen size bed. I'm going to measure this little thing here. Let me double check it. 51 inches. So you can put an armoire right there.